Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. I purchased a wig from Amazon, you guys. I found a lace frontal bob, 10 inches, from XRS Hair Wigs. It is 100% human hair. It came inside of a regular Amazon box, and then inside of this box with its marble. I think that's just so cute. I love this. I believe it was $95. I had Amazon Prime, so it only took 2 days to get here. Inside of the box was the wig, a hairnet, and another little card with stuff about the company. Here is the wig. So first impressions on this wig, the hair feels soft, but not like fake hair soft, like high quality soft. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like it has the luxurious soft feel to it, not like a cheap soft feel. I don't know. But I will say that this hairline looks so natural. It looks beautiful. If you have a hard time plucking hairlines, it will be a lot easier to start from this. The only issue that I see is look at how thin the wefts are. So the hair on the wefts are not very thick, so it looks so thin. See how easy it is to see the tracks? And so for me, with my hair, you know, having locks and it being kind of thick, any lump or bump, and when the hair shakes, you're gonna pretty much, you know, get a peak of track. So that's a little bothersome. Another thing that kind of bothers me about lace front wigs that are not, you know, like homemade, like by myself or, you know, your beautician or whatever, is that the wigs never have like that full parting on the sides. So you have like your 3 inch and some change parting in the center, and then you only get like an inch, 2 inches or something like that on the side. So then your side part is super short. I don't like that. It has 4 combs and a strap in the back. I never use combs, but if you like combs, it has 4 of them for you. Try this on. So yeah, that's a nice hairline. I'm still gonna customize it because I'm me, and I just feel like it's the right thing to do. You see what I was saying about the track, the hair being so thin on the tracks, you could kind of see it and whatever. So it's been from being in the bag for, I've had this wig for a month, and so it's been in the bag. So we're gonna do a heat test to test it. My flat iron is on 410. Okay. It's taking heat. So that's a good thing. I was thinking I wanted to cut this hair, but because my locks have gotten so long, I don't think it's going to be a good idea to cut it. Because, yeah, you're going to just be able to tell how lumpy my real hair is under here. Oh, it curls very nice. Okay, so it definitely curls very nice. Then I'll do the meltdown and all of that in the next video. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell so that way once that video is posted, you'll know. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be sure to put the link for this wig in the description because I do think that this was worth every bit of $95. Not even $100. This was definitely worth it. Yeah, definitely worth it.